Most devs know map types, but can you actually remap their keys entirely? TypeScript 4.1 introduced these clause in map types. The syntax is k and key of t, then as, followed by a new key expression. Here we prefix every key with my underscore using a template literal. That expression controls what the output key becomes, giving you full control over the map type shape. The as clause unlocks three main capabilities. You can rename keys to new values, filter them out by mapping to never, or transform them using template literal types. Template literals inside the as clause enable string manipulation, like prepending get or applying capitalize to every key. To filter keys, map them to never in the as clause. TypeScript drops any key resolving to never from the output. Use a conditional. Return k to keep the property, return never to exclude it. That is how omit works internally. Here is a practical example. A getters type that uses the as clause with a template literal and capitalize to rename each key. A user type with name and age becomes getName and getAge as method signatures. All at the type level, no runtime cost. Key remapping with as turns simple map types into powerful flexible utilities, like and follow for more TypeScript tips. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.